Welcome to Unit 11, where we delve into pointers in C programming. This video focuses on unlocking memory management and enabling efficient code execution. Let's explore the anatomy of memory storage. Memory is a sequential collection of storage cells. Every cell has an address. A variable is a symbolic name given to a specific memory location. When a variable is declared, the system assigns an address to store the value. We locate data using the address operator, represented by the ampersand symbol. Using backquote and I backquote prints the memory address of the variable backquote I backquote. The value is retrieved using the dereference operator, the asterisk. A pointer variable is a variable that holds the address of another memory location. Here, the variable backquote PTR backquote holds the address 1001, which is the address of the variable backquote num backquote. To declare a pointer variable, specify the data type, an asterisk, and the pointer name. The asterisk indicates that the variable is a pointer, and the data type specifies the type of data at the target address. The two pillars of pointer manipulation are the address of operator, backquote and backquote, which returns the memory address, and the value at operator, backquote asterisk backquote, which accesses the value stored at the target address. This is also known as dereferencing. Pointers must be initialized with the address of an already declared variable. It is correct to declare the target variable first, and then the pointer. Attempting to assign an address to a pointer before the variable is declared will result in an error. Remote access via indirection is achieved when we access a variable's value indirectly through a pointer. In this example, backquote n backquote receives the value 35 by dereferencing the pointer backquote I backquote, which holds the address of backquote q backquote. Pointer variables can be used in arithmetic expressions, just like standard variables. Remember the order of operations. Backquote asterisk p plus plus backquote increments the address, while backquote plus plus backquote increments the value of the address. In pointer arithmetic, incrementing a pointer moves it to the next element of its type, not just the next byte. The formula for the new address is the current address plus the size of the data type. The scale factor in memory navigation is determined by the data type. A char pointer increments by 1 byte, an int pointer by 2 bytes, and a float pointer by 4 bytes to reach the next value. The array pointer connection reveals that an array name is a constant pointer to the first element. We can access array elements using pointer arithmetic. For example, backquote asterisk x plus 2 backquote is equivalent to backquote x2 backquote. An array of pointers is an array where every element is a pointer. This is useful for efficiently handling lists of strings or multidimensional data, such as jagged arrays. Pointers and functions enable two key concepts: passing by reference, where a function can modify the original variable, and function pointers, which point to executable code, enabling advanced logic like callback functions. To summarize, variables are names for addresses, and a pointer stores an address. Indirection allows remote data access. Pointer arithmetic is relative to the data type size. Arrays are constant pointers, and pointers enable direct memory access and efficient function calls.